Here come the judge. Here come the judge. Everybody knows that he is the judge. Ha! You may not remember that song from 1968, but you definitely don't want to hear those words, here comes the judge, if you're in the middle of a real estate transaction. Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group. And in a moment, we're going to tell you how to get a free report, legal mistakes to avoid when you sell or buy a home. We have 16 key marketing systems that we use to get your home sold fast. Marketing systems exclusive to us. We also have over 7,000 buyers in our database right now looking for property in the area. So your home might already be sold. It's like I started looking for a buyer for your home before we ever even met. So how to get that free report? Just go to www.reportsbygary.com, reportsbygary.com, or you can call me, 832-721-0442. Again, 832-721-0442. Want to thank you for watching this. Let you know we're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital, so your referrals and your business really do help the kids at Texas Children's Hospital. So thank you for that. Want to thank you again for watching, and we're going to talk to all of y'all real soon.